What's up guys, it's Andrew here from Seemu apps, and I just want to make a video about a myth I constantly see around in the YouTube. What's up guys here? What's up guys? Hey guys, it's Andrew from Seemu apps, and I just want to make a video about this rumor or legend I keep on seeing around the YouTube community, and that is if you put ads on your videos, you will increase your views. And the whole idea around that is if your videos are earning money, you essentially split your money with YouTube. So depending on the network you partner with, that splits roughly around 50-50 on average. It might be slightly off, but you get the idea. So the idea is if you have a video with ads on, you're making YouTube money. So therefore YouTube are going to promote your content more. So before we dive into my stats, I got approved for a YouTube partnership probably about 3 or 4 months ago to actually monetize my channel. It took them about 6 months to get back to me because I applied for it during the whole adpocalypse. It was a pretty bad time to be applying for it and all the rates going down. But I think it's interesting now that I can actually see my stats and how they changed once I got that YouTube partnership, as to see whether these rumors were true or not. So let's get into the stats. Okay, so we're in my analytics homepage here, and we can see the stats are from December 1st, 2017 to February 28th, 2018. And roughly in January, sometime this year, my YouTube channel got monetized, as you can see in the middle here. So you can see my analytics don't really change once I got ad revenue enabled. Like the watch time slightly goes up, but you know, this can kind of be accounted for any YouTube channel slowly growing. During this time, I didn't actually release any videos, so we can take that out for having an impact on my analytics changing. But like everything else, it's kind of roughly the same. Like it goes up and it goes down, but my analytics always do that essentially. So if I go to my videos page here, we can see I've made 4 videos recently. Then before that, the last one was October in 2017. And let's expand out the date range a bit more just to show you guys what the analytics look like. So I'll go to 3 months before. So 3, and here 1, 2, 3, up until today almost. Let's apply that and see if my analytics change at all. So you can see here they don't actually really change. In fact, I had a bit of watch more time here, kind of slightly went down, then started going up again. Everything else is kind of roughly at the same level. So you can see actually enabling ads, becoming a partner with YouTube, didn't really impact on my views or stats at all. So I don't really believe that YouTube would actually promote a video that's monetized over a video that's not. The only reason they might promote the videos if someone directly sponsors them. Like I see a lot of movie trailers on the trending page that don't have that many views, whereas a lot of big YouTubers I follow don't even hit that page at all. So obviously there's some sort of backroom deal or something going on there. But other than that, for the average YouTuber, I just really can't see enabling ads just increasing your revenue because YouTube might promote it because it makes them money also essentially. And if you also go to my social blade here, you can see this here was when I roughly enabled my ads, and it hasn't really changed over the next few months. It's kind of roughly stayed on par with what I would have expected if I did not have ads enabled. So there you go. That's what happens when you enable monetization to your YouTube views. You've seen it right here. And if you're interested in becoming a YouTuber, building up your social media or anything like that, I'll be releasing a course on it soon. So be sure to sign up below for an exclusive discount for a pre-sales release, which will never be that low again. And if you're interested in becoming a YouTuber, building up your social media influence and so on, I'm building a course that targets this and many other areas such as career, personal growth, and personal development. I have a pre-sign up page below where you can put in your email address. And when I release it, I'll send you an exclusive discount that no one else will get. It will be the cheapest it will ever be, essentially. So be sure to check that out. There's a summary in the page below so you can see if you're interested in that. Until next time, guys, I'll catch you later.